And so this is where you get all these different titles for the so-called Jews, the Sapphian Jews, the Ashkenaz, the all these other different names for Jew. That's why they call themselves Jewish. Khazarians, Khazars. And so that's what they are. They're not of the bloodline. They're not of the seed of Abraham, Isaac, and Yashar'el. They're not of any of the 12 tribes of Yashar'el. From then until now, these are the people that's occupying the promised land. And so the same way it was then is the same way it is now. The people that are in the land, called the nation state of Israel, became a nation state in 1948. They're not of the seed of Abraham. They're Ashkenaz Khazarians, Japhet Gentiles, and Edomites. They're taking over the land by fraud and deceit. They've stolen the land. And so when Yahusha comes back, they got to pay for that. And they know it. And they preparing for his return. They think they're going to keep the land. How stupid can you be? But that's what they believe. And so, because the land is going to be returned to Israel, the kingdom is going to be restored to Yashar'el. Even the disciples asked Yahusha after he rose, are you at this time going to restore the kingdom to Yashar'el? He said, it's not given to you to know. Meaning that, okay, yeah, it's going to be restored, but not at this time. And so the kingdom will be restored to Yashar'el when Yahusha returns. And we got to take, he said Judah will have to fight, Yehuda. We got to have to fight to take the land. And so when Yahusha comes back, it's going to be on. The whole earth is given into the hand of the wicked. They're ruling. The ruling class ruling the earth today. The people of Satan, the devil. He told Yahusha, when in the wilderness, he's like, all these kingdoms, you can have all these kingdoms. I give it to you because it's mine. I can give it to whoever I want. It was delivered to me. Adam and Eve turned everything over to me. And so that's what happened. So all the people that's ruling, the ruling class people, they're of the devil. They're of Satan. All these different nations, all the nations, every last one of them are antichrist. All the nations that's ruling the earth today are antichrist. The whole earth is turned over to the devil. They're the devil's people. And so they're keeping us in subjection. Got us locked away in prison houses. They know that we're the chosen people. This is the honest, the God truth.